Raja, a 7-year-old rabbit, came to us at the end of last year for a swelling around the left hind limb. Now, the swelling was so uncomfortable for him that it affected his day to day activities. He found it difficult to hop around, to clean himself. He had a slight limp, and also the pain was so much that he started to pick on it, and that swelling started to bleed. Now, after a thorough examination of the site, there was some pus around the area as well, and we decided to go ahead and incise it and remove the pus as well as the growth. The surgery was successful and Raja recovered very quickly. He started hopping around in the house, he started eating well. But after a few months, around the month of May this year, the swelling came back again. And this time it was very aggressive. It looked very red, it looked very inflamed, and it started growing. We did a few blood tests. The CBC was normal, the biochemistry was normal, but the swelling just kept growing. Bandaging, antibiotics, anti inflammatory, nothing seemed to help. So we decided to refer Raja to the cancer vet for further diagnostics and treatment. Raja the rabbit was referred to us by the exotic vets once he got a tumor again on the same hock joint. We did a fine needle aspirate and it came back as a sarcoma, which indicated that this was a recurrence of the previous tumor. To make sure that the disease was localized, we went ahead and did a CT scan. We also did x-rays of the limb and we found that the bone was involved and was undergoing severe osteolysis. This means that the tumor was also very painful for Raja. On the CT scan, there was no spread of the disease anywhere else in the body, meaning this tumor was very localized, and that's why the decision to do a limb amputation was made. After the limb amputation was done, Raja did really well because his pain had also reduced. He was walking very comfortably on 3 limbs. His histopath has come back as an undifferentiated sarcoma. This tends to be an aggressive tumor type, but given we have complete margins, which means all of the tumor is out, there's no further treatment recommended at this time. Raja has adapted really well to this new normal, although we still continue to monitor him for any signs of relapse or reoccurrences. He just completed 8 years last month and he is back to being normal and a happy, hoppy rabbit.